Setting a single name on Facebook, example just a first name without a last name, can be tricky because Facebook typically requires both a first and last name for an account. But here is how you can do it. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once logged in, tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen, then go to the menu option of Facebook. Now scroll down, tap on the settings and privacy. Then from the settings and privacy, tap on the settings. Inside settings, tap on the account center at the top and navigate to the account settings. Once you're inside the account center, you will get to see your profile option available at the top. Tap on your profile and again you will be navigated to your profile settings section. Again, tap on your profile. Now from here, tap on the name option available there. Now you can see first and last name option available. As you can see, my name is Hirat Ray. So in order to keep my only first name on Facebook, I am typing down HIR on the first name and ET on the last name, or you can do H on the first name and RT in the last name. So that is it. Confirm it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.